welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make Taiyaki Sando. The idea is very easy. You just make the Taiyaki pancakes and make the sandwiches using the fillings you like. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out.
Yes.
重たい。
重たくない。
Here are the ingredients. Sifting cake flour and baking powder, add granulated sugar and mix well with a whisk. Add beaten egg and milk and mix well with a whisk again. This taiyaki pan is a non-stick pan, but you wanted to grease it just in case. Then fill one side of the pan with the batter. When it's half done, you want it to fill the other side with the butter. Now close and cook on low heat for about 3 minutes until done. Open and check the color. If it is still white, you want it to put on high heat. Flip it over once in a while for a few times until golden brown on both sides. Now remove from the pan and cool until you can handle them. Make a cut halfway down, make sure you don't cut all the way through. Then put your favorite fillings. The first one is tonkatsu, pork cutlet. Yakisoba noodles, ham and egg salad, Kinpira sauteed vegetables, and now it's done! Let me know if you have any idea for the fillings. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out. 結構しっかりした生地なのでこうやって持っても崩れません、ね、もしねパンケーキとかにしちゃうと結構ね破れやすかったりするかもしれないのでちょっと固めだけどね普通のたい焼きの生地で作るとちゃんと挟めます。じゃあいただきます。おいしい。どうですか？ れはぜひ作ってみてください。
ぜひ作ってください。